Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video. So we are obviously starting today's video a little bit differently, and I wanted to bring you down into basically my kind of hallway. So I live in a 3-story house, and it's basically a townhouse, and the first floor is pretty much like an entranceway kind of floor where nothing much is going on, but we've been doing a bit of a transformation recently, and I wanted to show you what this is now looking like down here. And I thought it would be a great idea as well to introduce you to today's video sponsor, which is Desenio. And I'm sure you guys would have already heard of Desenio, but if you haven't, Desenio are a really incredible website where you can go on and pick up some beautiful prints, pictures, frames, all of that good stuff to make your house and your decor look amazing. So let me show you the prints that I have picked up first of all. So if I take you to, this is essentially the entranceway. So the front door is here, you then come round and this is what you can see. So this is the little transformation that we've had. I will insert a picture of what it looked like before, but this is kind of the after. So let me start off by showing you the Desenio prints that I've picked up for down here. So the first one I picked up is this one. I just thought this was so beautiful, and it is so big. It is absolutely ginormous and really fits this wall so nicely. I loved as well the simplicity of this print. We've got a bit of a black and white kind of neutrally theme going on downstairs. So I wanted something really simple, and this is just absolutely perfect. And then if we move over to this wall, so these walls have been painted. This wall's been painted, that wall's been painted, and then this wall, we've actually left it white, the colour that it was when I moved in. So this one I just absolutely adore. I've gone for a smaller print here because I think it works so nicely having one massive one smaller one, and then one kind of medium-sized one at the end. I really love like a bit of an abstract art print, and this one is the smaller one, and I just love the line drawing here, and it's always got a bit of a marble effect detail, which I just think looks so nice. And then the last print that I've picked up just on the end, this is a kind of in-between size of the other two, and I've just gone for this really gorgeous lime print, which I think looks so nice and works really well in the kind of neutral downstairs. But I love how it is a bit arty, and it just adds a bit of a interest and a bit of a kind of art gallery vibe to our wall downstairs. So this is what it looks like from the other direction. So I absolutely love it. Another great thing about Desenio, which I think is so helpful, is they have a gallery wall feature on their website, which basically means that you can pick a wall. I'll do a little overlay here showing you how to use it, but you can almost do a little bit of a run through and a demo of your type of wall and pick what frames and what prints you want to use in their demo wall feature. And it's amazing because you can basically see what the artwork and what the prints are going to look like on your wall before purchasing them, which I think makes it so much easier to decide what you want. So I do have a 30% discount code for you guys, which is valid until midnight on the 10th of May. I'll pop it on the screen, but it's just Charlotte Beer. I'll also leave it down below for you, and also a link to shop through to Desenio's website. So hopefully this has given you a little bit of inspiration. Spring is here. It's such an amazing time to change up your walls, change up your artwork, and I feel like adding pictures and prints to a wall just really changes up the feel and really finishes off a wall and finishes off your kind of decor. So definitely have a look and see what they've got available. These prints are obviously just my personal preference, but Desenio updates its website regularly, so there's a range of prints for everybody. Another great thing about Desenio is they do ship worldwide, including the US, so hopefully there's going to be something for everybody, and it's not going to be a nightmare to get it to you. I just absolutely adore how the downstairs now looks a little bit like an art gallery, and that is one of the things that I just love about the Desenio prints in particular, is how they are all so artistic, and I think they just look so creative and so beautiful. For every tree used, they plant 2 new ones, so they are consciously trying to make this world a better place. So yeah, if you are interested in having a little shop and having a little look around and seeing what you can find on Desenio, then as I say, I'll leave a link down below. Don't forget to use my discount code, and yeah, happy shopping. So as I say, this is what the downstairs is looking like. This little area here, I absolutely love it. So what we've done is we've got this table, which is, it's black frame, but it's wooden, and it's actually kind of, I don't actually know if it's real wood, but it looks like wood. And this one was from Wayfair, and then all I've done is I've got this massive mirror, which this is actually from Dunelm, and it was £55, and I think that is such a bargain for such a big mirror. I mean, look at the size of it, it is huge. And I think it just adds so much light and really finishes off this space. I just love adding flowers. I've got these fresh flowers here and these ones, and I've got another vase over here. I think I want like a tree to put here, or a tree type thing. And I think otherwise we're pretty much done. I've created like a little bit of a seat in the corner here. But yeah, this is pretty much the kind of downstairs transformation. We do still need to get a lampshade. I ordered one from Dunelm, but this one is quite low and it kind of donks you on the head every time you walk past it. So I've actually moved that one upstairs. But in today's video, I also did want to show you a little bit of a, I guess, a bit of a guide as to how to start your wardrobe over for any time of the year. So I get quite a few questions on how to basically start afresh when you're looking to update your wardrobe, where to start, what are the key items to get. So I have actually picked out 10 pieces that I want to share with you, and hopefully they're going to give you some ideas of where to start. This dress that I'm wearing today is from H&M, and I will link it down below. It's just a gorgeous wrap dress. It's so beautiful. It feels really comfy as well, and I love the kind of shirt detail to it, and also the sleeves are quite long as well, which I love. So as I mentioned earlier, I do get quite a few questions on how to, I guess, build a new wardrobe, or if you want to do a bit of a wardrobe refresh, then kind of where to start with that, and try and decide which pieces to include into your wardrobe so it makes the whole wardrobe rebuilding process a little bit easier. So what I've done is I've just picked out 10 pieces, which I think are really handy wardrobe key piece staples for, I think, any time of year, to be honest with you, in kind of different variations. These pieces obviously fit my personal style, so they might not fit your personal style, but hopefully showing you the kinds of items that I would include in a typical wardrobe refresh will help you to include things, but of course you can include them in your individual style. So the first thing that I think is super important, and pretty much everybody should have in their wardrobe, is just a basic black and a basic white t-shirt. So I get my basic t-shirts from Arket, and they are just the best basic staples. So you can get a thicker version of this white t-shirt for £35 from Arket, which I know it might sound a little bit on the higher end for a white t-shirt, but it's amazing quality. It's so thick, it washes really well, it's really durable, and it's just the best white t-shirt I've ever had. Or you can get a slightly more affordable one for £15, which is also really amazing quality. So I will link those down below for you. The black one is just a basic one that I've got from H&M. H&M and Arket are in the same kind of group of companies, so if you want to pay a little bit more for a little bit better quality, then go for Arket. If you're on a slightly smaller budget, then head for H&M. So a black and white t-shirt, absolute basic staples. They're available pretty much everywhere, but I would recommend heading to Arket to pick those up. Just a plain black and white t-shirt might be a little bit too simple for some people. I know I like to add a little bit of pattern, a little bit of ruffle, a little bit of something else, a bit of interest to an outfit. So I would also recommend picking up another, I guess, day top in a more exciting print or colour or style, and I've picked this one from And Other Stories to include in today's video because it still fits within, I guess, the kind of basic staple mantra in that it's white and it's a white top, but this one is much more than just a white top. It has these gorgeous balloon sleeves with a little bit of puff, which I adore. It has this frill detail around the collar. It has a kind of drooped neckline, which I love. And yeah, it's just so beautiful. It's like a short sleeve blouse, almost in a bit of a boho gypsy style. I love it, and this is something that I would definitely wear day in, day out in the warmer months. And then after having the slightly more fun top, having a slightly more formal top also is a key to building your wardrobe or refreshing your existing wardrobe. So this one is just an ASOS design white shirt. It's an oversized boyfriend fit shirt and I absolutely love it. Although I say this one is slightly more formal, it can definitely be dressed down and made into a more informal outfit by pairing it with jeans. This works so nicely as a colour combination. You can also wear it quite informally as a bit of an overcoat over a slightly warmer outfit. You can wear it in the winter, you can wear it in the spring, you can wear it pretty much any time of year. And the oversized fit just means that it's going to be a little bit more slouchy, it's going to be a little bit less restrictive, and I think if you are looking for a more classic look in clothing, then always go a little bit oversized because it'll always be a little bit more flattering. Next up, we've got two pairs of trousers. Now, these are wardrobe staples for me, and I've picked these out in a beige and also a black because I think a black pair of trousers or a pair of leggings, depending on your preference, or a pair of jeans, depending on your preference, is a staple and definitely something to include in any wardrobe refresh. These two are from Zara. These two are both the high-waisted trousers and they fit like a glove and they are so incredibly flattering. They can be worn more formally with a shirt or a blazer, and they can be dressed down with a jumper or a baggier striped top for a more informal look. So you can dress them either way, but I think a black pair of trousers, whichever style suits you, and a beige pair of trousers. Again, you can wear beige in the winter if you want to, you can wear it in the spring and summer, any time of year. Both of these are going to work so well with pretty much everything else in your wardrobe, so they are key staples for me. Probably the most familiar key staple is a pair of jeans. So these ones are just a mid-wash denim blue jean, and these ones are Stradivarius by ASOS. I rave about these jeans. If you aren't new to my channel, you would have seen me talking about these time and time again because they are just the best jeans. I love them. I said they're very true to size. I've got a size 8, they fit me perfectly, and they are getting better with time. Something that I also recommend and love adding to a basic wardrobe is a piece of fun. So this piece of fun is this gorgeous dress, and this one is from And Other Stories. It is this beautiful balloon sleeved sweetheart neckline dress, and it is just absolutely gorgeous, and I would highly recommend adding a fun item or something a little bit daring, something a little bit out of your comfort zone, and something that you just feel really amazing in to any wardrobe refresh. Or if you're starting from scratch, then it's all very well, and I do bang on about keeping wardrobes minimal and keeping them interchangeable, but I do think it is important to have a bit of a special item in your wardrobe at the same time, that you know you can put on any time when you're not sure what to wear. For example, out for drinks with the girls or out for a meal with your boyfriend. This kind of thing is going to be absolutely perfect and you're going to feel great in it. So I think pick something that you are going to feel amazing in, and that is going to be a wardrobe staple for you. Onto the kind of jackets and outerwear. A blazer is a key staple for me in my wardrobe. I think if you are a bomber jacket wearer, then a bomber jacket is going to be key for you. A leather jacket might be key for you, but a blazer is a key piece for me in my wardrobe, and I've picked this one out specifically because it is my most worn one. It's from Zara. I've sized up 2 sizes in this one and I love the oversized fit. It's much more relaxed and forgiving, I think. It's something that I can chuck on to dress up an outfit and make it a little bit smarter, but it can also be worn really casually as well. So yeah, a blazer is a key piece for me, as is a trench coat. So any time of year, I love a trench coat, and I think even though I'm including trench coat here, any type of coat in your wardrobe is going to be a staple for you and something really important for a wardrobe refresh. Something that I have learned over the last, I would say last 2 years or so, is how important it is to invest in a key coat. So I used to be one of these people that will buy lots of different coats that were slightly more affordable, but they wouldn't last, they wouldn't go with anything, they were almost like trend-led pieces. But I would highly recommend investing in a really amazing quality coat that is going to last you for years and years, and it's going to be one of those key wardrobe staples that you'll wear again and again. Hopefully you found this segment a little bit helpful in giving you some ideas of the kinds of things you can use to start your wardrobe or to do a bit of a wardrobe refresh. And I think that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please do give it a big old thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, of course I would love to have you around for the long term, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget about my Desenio discount code. I'll leave a link below where you can go shop for your prints, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye!